Do you wish to record audio on your drone footage as well? This video is for you. Let's go. Adding audio to your drone footage is a very simple task. All you need is a drone and an extra mic. You can use an external mic like a DJI mic that I'm wearing right now, or your phone mic. A drone cannot have an audio, reason being it already has a lot of noise. Let me get closer to it and show you how much noise the drone makes. So this is what happens when you're recording near a drone. I have created this video for you to understand how you can add audio to your drone footage. So how do you match the audio and the video? What I do is I use a very simple trick which is known as clap trick. So what I do at the beginning of my videos is clap. The reason why I clap is because there's a spike in the graph when you export the audio and you can see it in there. So how do I mix and match my audio and video? It's a very simple trick. What you got to do is you need to make sure before you start the video, you clap or say start, so that when you export the video and audio in your editor, it's easier for you to match it. Let's get on to the studio and I'm going to show you how. Alright, so welcome to my studio. What we are going to do now is I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to import this first video. Perfect. So this is the video that I just shot. Perfect. I'm going to go add audio, sound, device, the latest audio that I have. As I said, that we have to match it with the clap. So now, as you can see, there are spikes here. You can see the spikes here. You can see the spikes here. So I must have clapped twice before starting. So let's have a look at the video. Where do I clap? Here we go. I've just clapped for the first time here. So I am going to, let's say, start the video from here, because all of this is going to be a waste for me. And then for this one here, I am going to start from here. And I'm going to delete this here, move it forward. Okay, let's see now. Clap. So what I do at the beginning of my videos is clap. Video is not matching, so I'm just going to move it a little bit further here, just to the clap. Yep, perfect. So now we go. It should be perfectly synchronizing. So when my hand hits each other, it produces the sound, is when I want this spike to be. Clap. So what I do at the beginning of my videos is clap. There we go. Clap. This is perfectly synchronized now. So what I do at the beginning of my videos is clap. So this is how you add audio to your drone footage. I hope this video was helpful, and if there's any other questions you have for this, please put them in the comment sections down below. And if you want to know anything else, I'm also creating a video on how to edit your vlogs, how to make them look more cinematic. Please feel free to join, subscribe, and put any questions you want to know. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.